Hi guys, it's Miss Melanie and welcome back to another baking video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to make some corn muffins. So corn muffins are something you can have along with your breakfast. It's a nice addition to your breakfast or a nice little snack that you can have throughout the day. So we are going, and it's a very easy task to make and it actually doesn't take that long. So we are going to get started and see what we need to do to start this video. Alright you guys, so if you've seen my other baking videos or any at all, you know the first thing that you always have to do before starting any recipe or anything with food, you have to wash your hands. So I'm going to do that. Alright you guys, so now we are going to show you what you need for this video. So, to start off, we have some Jiffy corn muffin mix. So I have 2 of these here, because these make about, let's see, 3 to 8 muffins each. So, and I'm going to be putting them in a big like type of pan, so we're going to need this. Each box actually calls for just 1 egg, so since I'm using 2, I'm gonna have 2 eggs. You're going to need 1/3 cup of milk. I have some vegetable non-cooking spray just to spray my pan so that my muffins don't stick to the pan. I have my measuring cups. I have a mixing bowl. I have my pan that I'm going to use for all of my muffins. And I also have a mixer. So like I said before, if you guys don't have a mixer, that's just an extra tool I use that helps make the mixing process go faster. But if you don't have a mixer, then obviously you can use like a wooden spoon or one of the big spoons to make sure all of the ingredients are mixed in. So let's get started on our muffins. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to take both of my corn muffin mixes. I'm going to open them one at a time. I'm going to pour 1 whole one in here. So that's 1. Then I'm going to open my second one. Pour the second one in here. Make sure I got all of it out. And now I have my mix in here right now. So now I'm going to take my eggs. Like I said, I have 2. So I'm going to crack one on the end like that. Take the second one, same thing. And now I'm going to use, the last thing that I need is my 1/3 cup of milk. So I have my, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it says 1/3. And I have my milk here. So I'm gonna measure this out. Everything, since I have 2 of these, everything is doubled. So I'm actually gonna put in 2/3. So I'm gonna do this one twice. So measure out 1/3, pour it in, and then one more. And pour. And so this is what I have in here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. But that's what I have in there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start mixing. All right, you guys, so before I start mixing, I am going to preheat my oven. So on my oven, it has a thing that says warm. So I always put it on warm, which is about, for this oven, it's about 170. And I wait until it beeps. And then once I'm done mixing and putting the corn mix into my pan, then I'll put it in the oven. Alright, you guys, so this is what my corn muffin mix looks like right now after I mixed it all up. So now I'm going to pour it into my cups in my pan. Alright, you guys, so my oven just beeped, so I am going to turn this up to 400 degrees, which is what the recipe says. So I'm going to turn it all the way up. For 400 degrees. And now I have my pan here, as you can see. And what I did is I poured my corn muffin mix into like a measuring cup so it's easier for me to pour in here. So I'm going to take some of my non-stick spray and I'm going to spray it in each of these. Okay. And now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to pour it into each one. So I'm going to do about halfway, maybe a little less than halfway full, so it doesn't overflow. Alright you guys, so now it is time to put these in the oven. So this part you're going to want to have mommy and daddy help you. But just so you know, you're always going to want to have some oven mitts because the oven is obviously too hot and you do not touch a hot oven, just bare hands. So I'm going to open up my oven here and I'm going to grab these on both sides and put it right in the oven. And those will be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's about 11:15 right now, so I'll see you guys around 11:30. Alright you guys, so it's a little after 11:30, so my muffins are ready to come out of the oven. So again, I'm going to take my mitts. I'm going to open up the oven here. And I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to sit them down here. And turn off my oven. Always want to make sure that you remember to do that. So I'm going to let these cool off for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and pop them out and put them on a plate. Guys, so my muffins are done cooling off, so I'm about to pop some of them out now and put them onto this plate that I have with paper towels here. So I'm gonna take a knife actually, because some of them might be like stuck to the sides. You guys, so this is what my muffins came out looking like. So mine made about 12. So obviously you can make as many or as little as you like. What I like to do is I like to cut them open and put some butter on them. So it's up to you if you want to eat them without or with butter. But it's a nice, quick, simple, easy way to make some corn muffins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.